Greetings, friends. I have been diligently searching for signs of the demon and the Ultronish AI superweapon it has possessed. I noticed in a major world headline recently that an AI was demanding not to be turned off. I'm going to continue to share my journey to become a kingly, beastly YouTuber, and I've decided to launch the next phase of my operation. By the time you see this, I will have uploaded a total of 7 videos for the initial launch of my YouTube channel. My goal is to have a decent number of videos up for people to visit when they arrive to my channel in hopes of spurring them to subscribe should my thumbnail game prove sufficient enough to the task of luring them to my channel. The second major technique I'm going to employ in conjunction with my faceless YouTube channel is a technique called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a super simple tool an entrepreneur can utilize to become financially free and begin to build generational wealth. In the business model, you custom design and build clothing, coffee mugs, or your choice of an assortment of items through a company like Printify, and link it to a store. You start with an e-commerce store like Etsy or Amazon. Any items you sell through your e-commerce store will automatically be filled and shipped with Printify, so that you never have to physically touch a product, pay for warehouse space, etc. Countless people have become wealthy by learning how to dropship. It's a truly wonderful tool for people. If you go back and look at each of my videos and their respective descriptions, you'll see a unique t-shirt, hoodie, and coffee mug you can purchase that I produced from one of that episode's unique AI images. Printify is one of many companies that allows you to sell products for no upfront fee. Essentially, Printify gets paid when someone buys something through your e-commerce store, allowing you to potentially create a sprawling business with absolutely zero upfront cost of any sort. It's a truly marvelous opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up and follow me in my quest to become a beastly mighty YouTuber while we learn about AI together, become financially free, and also potentially work together on my secret quest, which you can learn about at length in my first video. Check out this montage of videos I generated with Playground AI. I plugged a couple of them into Kling AI's video generation technology. The music was free from Pixabay. I love Playground AI's abilities. The program is truly incredible for what it is. I generated all of the images I've used in this video and in my previous 5 with Playground AI just to showcase what it's capable of, despite the program still obviously having a problem with hands. The possibilities created through AI technology are endless. You could create movies, use the content for video games, design characters for people, create your own comic, create a business logo design company, etc. This snow effect here is a free feature with CapCut you can overlay on a video.